Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is open the bag and make sure that we have all of our items. We're going to have two bases here. Our side poles will be the longest poles. The poles that will make up the top and bottom are the next size down. And then in a small pocket here, we have picture instructions and our needed Allen wrench. We'll begin by pulling out one of the bottom bases and a side pole. Now, having grabbed the long side pole from the bag, we're going to use our Allen wrench and unscrew the screw on the bottom of the pole. Once the screw is removed, we will take the foot, place it onto the pole, and reapply the screw. We will do this for both sides. Remember, as you tighten the side pole, that before you tighten it to the last part, you want the hole in the bottom of the pole to face perpendicular away from the stand, as this is where your next pole will be connected. And you will make sure to do this for both stands. The next part is we're going to pull out our remaining poles. We'll have 6 poles. 3 will be the top, 3 will be the bottom. You'll be able to identify them because 2 for the top are going to have end pieces, and then the middle part will only have 1 screw and a flat end. These we will connect together simply by twisting and screwing in the 3 poles. We will do this for both the top and bottom. So now that we have connected the poles for our top and bottom, we're going to loosen our extenders on each end. For this particular banner, I only need to extend the pole about another foot on each end. And then I will tighten it again, and then slide it through the banner. So we're going to take our side poles and extend it just a little bit before we tighten it again. The reason for this is now we have moved the pole high enough that the hole is clear on the bottom. Now we can unscrew the toggle at the bottom of the side pole. And now that the screw is removed from the bottom pole, we can pivot it so that it cups around the side pole. And from the other side, put the screw back in. At this point, you may need 2 people in order to put it on at the same time from each end. Secured the top and bottom pole to the sides. With the help of someone on the other side, we're going to loosen the first top part of the side pole and extend. And then tighten. And then move down to the lower base, loosen, and then extend until we have our banner taut. Now, of course, we have some ceiling issues here, but in your trade show area, the ceilings will be a little higher. And now we're finished.